Welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make mince spaghetti. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell. The ingredients for this mince spaghetti will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now here in front of me, this is my ingredients that I'm using to make my lovely mince spaghetti. I'm using 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic seasoning. I'm also using some dry parsley, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose. I'm using my spaghetti sticks. I'm also using some tomato sauce. Got 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. I got some chopped bell pepper, and also got some chopped scotch bonnet pepper. I got some chopped garlic, some chopped onion, also some chopped carrot. And in front of me now, I'm using 1 kilogram of mince. I'm going to start out by preheating my pot where I'm going to cook my mince in. I'm going to preheat it for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Yes guys, see back when my pot is. Now after that 2 minutes of preheating, I'm just going in about 3 tablespoons of oil. Yes guys, you want to do that preheat for about a minute. Now after that minute of my oil reheating, now I'm going to start out by adding my chopped onions, my chopped garlic, also my chopped bell peppers, also my scotch bonnet pepper. Just want to stir those in now. Carrots. Let's give those a stir now. Now I'm just going to leave those to saute for about a minute or 2. So after that minute, you can see they're finished sauteing. Yes guys, looking lovely. It's so nice guys. Now I'm going to add my mince in. Just going to brush that out. For about 8 minutes until it gets brown. Your mince turn to that brown color. Yes. And meanwhile it's cooking, you're just gonna keep stirring it. See back when my mince is turned brown, it's finished cook. Now after that 8 minutes of stirring it around, this is how you want your mince to look, brown. Guys, you know that it is cooked. I'm just going to add my powder seasoning in now to give it that lovely flavor. Yes guys, I'm going to make my all-purpose seasoning, my black pepper, also my ginger and garlic pimento seasoning, my dried thyme. Also, I gotta tell you guys, I'm going in with a bit of paprika. That's a pinch. Yes guys, I'm just gonna give that a stir. Stir around the powder seasoning. Just put in on the mince to give it that lovely flavor. just adding just a little pinch of salt to mine. See guys, not much, just a little pinch. Stir around that now, stir around that salt that you just put in. So you want to use your mince. It smells so lovely guys, I'm telling you. Powder seasoning I just put in. Wow. My mince smells so wonderful guys. Now I'm going to add my tomato sauce, this guys, into it. Also I'm adding just a bit of ketchup to it, not much. Just going to stir this around now. Mix up your mince in that tomato sauce. I'm just going to leave that for about a minute or two, just to cook down for a bit. See you back when it's finished. Now guys, in the meanwhile my mince is cooking down. Just want to boil your water before you add your pasta in. Just want to add some salt to that, the water. Also I want to add some oil into the pot. That oil is to make so your pastas don't stick together. I'm just gonna leave that to come to a boil now. Now guys, my mince is finished cook. So guys, I can turn it off now. With all those lovely seasoning that I put in there. This guys, it's smelling so wonderful and tasting so good guys. That's how you want to prepare your mince. This guys. I'm just waiting on my water to come to a boil so I can put my spaghetti sticks in there. Now as you can see, my pot is come to a boil for my spaghetti sticks. I'm just going to add them in. Nice. They're sticking out guys. I'm just gonna leave them to boil for about 8 minutes on medium heat before I turn them off. This guys, I'm just gonna push them down meanwhile they're boiling. See you back when my spaghetti sticks are boiled. Now after that 8 minutes of boiling my spaghetti sticks, now they are ready to turn off. Just gonna turn it off. Guys, now I'm just gonna throw off the water off of my spaghetti sticks. Now you just want to get one of these guys just to throw off your water off of your spaghetti sticks. So that's what I'm gonna do it. Just like that. Give it a shake. It's coming like a strainer, guys. Rid of that water off of your spaghetti sticks. Just like that. Let's give that a shake and shake out all of that water. Now I'm just gonna show this back. It's my pot that I just boiled the spaghetti in. Spaghetti sticks. Yes. After you put it back into your pot, you just want to get some oil just to put over it so your spaghetti don't stick because of the heat that's still on it. Yes guys, you just want to mix that around with that oil on it. You can use olive oil, sunflower oil, any cooking oil that you have guys. Yes guys, when you put the oil on it, it does stick together guys. serve it out now and show you guys. Yes. Now it's that time to serve it and show you guys. I'm just getting my plate. Yes, guys, we have it. Start out with my spaghetti. Nice, look at that. Lovely. Mince. Telling you guys, it's smelling so lovely. Can't wait to have a taste of it with this spaghetti. Yes, guys. That's it. Now, guys, I'm just gonna garnish it with some dry parsley. Just like that, guys. I also add some of my parsley while I was cooking my mince. Yes, guys. There you have it, guys. Looking so lovely and smelling so delicious, I'm telling you. I'm just gonna give that a taste now. Yes, guys, I'm telling you. Oh. It's amazing, guys. Tasting so lovely. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about this lovely mince spaghetti that I just cooked up. Yes, guys. Just hit me up in the comment section and tell me what you think. Until next time, thanks for watching.